Hello, I'm Dayana Daza Flores. This is my first class. This is the lesson 2. Sorry, this is the lesson 1. In this case, we talk about the we talk about the two topics. One topic is the silent E, and the other topic is what is the pronunciation for the numbers 12 at 19. Well, in this case, I talk about the silent E. The silent E is when the letter E is present in the word, in the writing word, but not in the pronunciation. Don't pronounce the letter E for the some words. What words? This is for example, in this case, all words in the presentation have a letter E at finish. The in this case I explained with the wife, with the word wife. If I pronounce the letter E, this word sound similar to wifey, wifey, and don't and is a bad pronunciation. But if we large the letter E, the letter I, his sound is wife, wife. The vowel I, a large his sound and sound letter wife, wife. In this case, is similar to the other words. For example, plain, don't play me. No, plain. Time, time. Pride, pride. Cape, hope. Tube, hate. Remember, don't hatey, cutie, righty. No, hate, cute, ripe, make, shine, like, and if. For this presentation, have examples. For example, I don't take notes, no notice, notes today in class. My boyfriend and I only can see tomorrow at 5, no 5, 5, 5 p.m. My mom hopes, don't hopes, hopes a gift for a Mother's Day. And the other topic, sorry, is the numbers 12 and numbers 19. For example, these numbers have a similar pronunciation to the numbers 12 at 19. Look at the pronunciation. These numbers that in this space have a pronunciation different to these numbers. For example, 12, 20. Look in these numbers, all finally in 20. E, E, the sound E. All finally in sound E. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. In these numbers, finally in teen. Only the number 12 finally in oof, in letter F. 12, 12. But the other numbers finally in teen, teen, letter N, teen. For example, 13, for, sorry, 14, 15, 16, 18, and 19. This pronunciation is help for you. Remember the word teenagers, teenagers, because all these numbers, teen. Thanks for watching this class. See you later.